Hello FME people, welcome back to my channel, and for our new members we welcome you to my fashion made easy. How easier can your dart get? Okay, today I'll be showing you that for this we need paper, ruler, scissors and the tape measure. So we have all this ready, so let's get to the business of today. So you take your paper, ensure your paper is well trimmed, everything you need is set trimmed. Immediately take your tape measure, the kind of length you want. It's just an illustration, so it's not too much. I just need the paper size that is okay. Your shoulder to shoulder, that's the first thing I'm measuring here. I'm using the measurement of 5. Yours could be 7, but just for the illustration I'm using 5. And the next one is the armhole, using just 4 inches. Yes, I'm using everything in inches. And also the next one is the bust point, which is 7 inches. I hope you are getting this. And straight to the underbust, which is 9 inches. And from there, my round bust, I'm using 6 inches. My under round bust, which is 5 inches. This is easy and simple. Just follow me and get it. So all these are done. The paper is well trimmed. Obviously it's looking like a top already. So when you do this, measure your nipple points. Nipple points can be 7, it could be 7, 6, 5. So I'm just using 5. So 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Pick that 2.5 straight down, and that is what I'm doing here. I hope you are following. So after this, pick a ruler, try and join everything together on both sides so that it will be a perfect line and there will not be errors there. So when you are done doing this, our main focus, which is the dart. So under the bust, ½ inch below, we measure ½ inch below the bust point. The bust point we use is 7, so ½ inch below. Can you see this? So half this below, you pick that point. Ensure you mark the points with maybe a pen, ruler. Just ensure you mark the point. So when you mark the point, go down to the half length where you want your top to get to. Mark ½ inch on both sides that passes through the nipple point. So you join the ½ inch from the ½ inch below the under bust, and it looks like a triangle. That's how simple it is. When you do this and when you are cutting, ensure that it is not straight, it is curved. Even if you can't achieve that when you are cutting, when you are trying to sew, ensure that it is well curved. And that is all you need to know for your normal dart. Well, just to make it look more like a top, try and cut your neck, the shoulder, and this is it. It's as simple as you can think of. I hope this was really helpful. Look at how I have this paper and I'm like, okay, this looks so much like a dart. Oh yes, I like it. It's nice. Yes, it is. And this is all that you need to know for this normal dart. I hope this was really helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We need you to comment. We need you to like what we are doing. Thank you.